Sai miếng. Ih. First time ever aku coba unboxing. Site aku tak speedboat. Lawan itu kami minat main kami dari WJ Toy.
Freeze!
Usah saya main gila.
Saya ada.
Jadi speedboat tu bisa kalah juga. Mana tu kakunya nih? Speedboat kena kuasa bateri cas dari WL Toy. Jadi kau main aku tu unboxing ke kita.
Sit down. Come on. Maybe. Sit down. Sit. Belum mau. Hanya 300 ribu. Yes. Oh, say. Ada. Oh, 5. Okay, Rindu 4G. 1.5 volt AA battery 4G. Standby. Tu basic motor. Okay, tu water cool. Tu dia punya remote servo untuk steering. Oh, hari tu item hari tu. Pantut ke situ. Okay. So, ngajak kalau kita ruai begitu. So, cara nyimpan kabel. That's it. My review on Powerboat. Sekali tahu, ialah aku brief kita ngau ya kena minyak keselin. Okay guys. Materi simpan di sini. Kunci di sini. Hitam sama hitam, merah sama merah. Hidup dah hidup. Okay, guys.
the final lap of the Italian Grand Prix, and they are going to be 3 abreast by the looks of things going into turn 1. Marquez gets the 2-bike slipstream on the factory Honda, and Marc Marquez hits the front here in Mugello. Has he timed this to absolute perfection? Asking major questions. The two Ducatis, all 3 of them almost had contact. Petrucci on the title line, picked up Dovizioso, he picked up Marc Marquez, and after all that, Petrucci still leads. Petrucci leads, but Marquez is making shapes. He's trying to find a way through on the number 9. Is Rindu still in this one because of all what's just happened into turn 1? They flick right. Petrucci, Marquez, Dovi, Rindu. Dovi will not want to finish third here. Oh, I thought he was going to have a look there into Zaffelli, into Casanova, sorry. Now into Zaffelli. Petrucci half a lap away from a famous, fantastic, unforgettable first victory in MotoGP here in Mugello. Marquez and Dovizioso, though, are piling on the pressure. Up into Arrabbiata 2 for the final time. It's still Petrucci. Dovi's got to pounce. He's got to pounce. Is he going to make it into here? No. Marquez is having a look as well. Look at this. Is he going to pull off the move here? No. Dovi's getting close as well. We're entering the final sector shortly. Well, it's going to be all about surely a move into the final corner. Puccini, can Marquez get it lined up? Can he nail Biondetti 1 and 2? Through current tyre for the final time, and Danilo Petrucci now just 3 corners away from his first Grand Prix victory. Can he hold firm into Puccini? Can he hold the slipstream off from Marc Marquez and Andrea Dovizioso? Petrucci then comes to turn 15. He leads Dovizioso, tries to find out the way, but Marc Marquez can't find a way through. Petrucci still leads into the final corner. It's all about the slipstream. Rindu is challenging Dovizioso. It won't be a win for
Jangan
him.
lupa
The second
subscribe,
round is out here in Mugello. What's going to happen?
Brunei.
Oh, it is! Petrucci has done it! Petrucci's dream is realised! He is a MotoGP winner! Marc Marquez will lead over the line surely to start this final lap. We're about 6 kilometres away from the end of what's been an absolutely unbelievable start to 2019. Here comes Dovizioso, through on the slipstream, up the inside, a powerhouse on the Bologna bullet, into turn 1. Can he get it stopped? That's the crucial question. Yes, he can. He sort of drags it, holds it up on the brakes into the middle of the corner, slows down Marc Marquez. So Dovizioso then decides to pick up the baton. Dovizioso versus Marc Marquez at the moment on this last lap. Crutchlow, Rindu and Rossi still right there. Oh, big moment for Marquez. Almost loses the front, the rear comes round a bit, but they're still all in contention. Crutchlow still somehow there, Rindu and Rossi also. Oh, Crutchlow was in hot at turn number 4 as that just cost him crucial time. Look at Marc Marquez, he's having moments galore on the front end of that Repsol Honda. Oh, this is brilliant stuff here, and the opening night of Qatar has delivered in 2019. Will Dovizioso sucker Marquez in like he did last year at the final corner? He released the brakes, Marquez went for the lunge up the inside, and on the cut back, Dovizioso got him on the line. It was the 8th closest finish in Premier Class history 1 year ago. It's all set again for another showdown. Dovizioso versus Marquez, Honda versus Ducati. Marquez makes his move, big moment on the front end, can he hold it stick? Dovizioso tries to fight back. Side by side they are. It is Dovi versus Marquez, but Marquez has asked questions earlier than usual. He goes through but can't make it his front end. Oh my word, he's asking questions of that. How is Marc Marquez still on board that factory Honda? Incredible. He's pushing it to the absolute limit. We're in the final sector. Is it going to be a carbon copy of...
Big love. Kunci dok. Nah. Not many people left the key here. Nah, yang kunci tidak.